you feel it? Can you feel it? Can you feel it?
I know it.
What are the ingredients in it?
I can't tell you, then I'd have to kill you.
I want to know what's in your chili.
I can't tell you, then I'd have to kill you.
Do you like chili? I hope you like chili.
I'm getting to like chili. It's actually very good.
What do you have to know to be a chili judge? What's your problem?
It's chili tyranny. It's chili tyranny. It's chili tyranny.
How do you feel about taking home the bronze?
Well, anytime you can win a medal for your country or your Chile, it's a good thing. And I think this really is bronze, which means it's actually quite valuable because bronze is hard to find these days.
I would like to thank Senator Fulbright.
The ambassador's not going to see this video. Makers of TVP.
The Sultanate, His Majesty, for giving me the opportunity to come to this country and make my chili in a very free way. My secret ingredient was TVP soaked in barbecue sauce and some crushed ground peanuts.
Anything you'd like to add?
What does it mean to have this award voted for you by the fans of Chile?
You know, it means a lot.
Yeah.
You know, the Electoral College didn't get me here. The people did. People got me here. I'd like to thank the people.